The U.S. Army has unveiled its new infantry squad vehicle, designed to enhance mobility, protection, and operational effectiveness for infantry units. This cutting-edge vehicle incorporates advanced technologies and features to meet the evolving demands of modern warfare. In this video, we explore the key features and capabilities of the U.S. Army's new infantry squad vehicle and its impact on infantry operations. Introduction to the infantry squad vehicle. The U.S. Army's new infantry squad vehicle is a groundbreaking addition to its fleet, designed to enhance the mobility and operational effectiveness of infantry units. The infantry squad vehicle is a lightweight, highly mobile transport vehicle capable of carrying a 9-soldier squad and their equipment, providing rapid and flexible deployment across various terrains. Developed with input from soldiers to meet the rigorous demands of modern warfare, the infantry squad vehicle combines advanced off-road capabilities, robust protection, and state-of-the-art communication systems. This innovative vehicle is set to redefine how infantry squads maneuver and operate in dynamic combat environments. Lightweight, air transportable. The infantry squad vehicle boasts a lightweight design that significantly enhances its strategic mobility, allowing for rapid deployment across diverse operational environments. Weighing just under 5,000 pounds, the infantry squad vehicle can be easily transported by military aircraft, such as the CH-47 Chinook helicopter and the C-130 Hercules, enabling quick and efficient insertion into remote or contested areas. This air transportability ensures that infantry units can be swiftly moved to where they are needed most, providing a critical advantage in time-sensitive missions. The lightweight nature of the infantry squad vehicle not only facilitates airlift operations, but also improves its agility and performance in challenging terrains, making it an invaluable asset for modern infantry operations. Enhanced mobility. The infantry squad vehicle is engineered to deliver exceptional mobility, enabling infantry units to traverse diverse and challenging terrains with ease. Featuring advanced suspension systems and robust all-terrain capabilities, the infantry squad vehicle is designed to navigate rugged landscapes, steep inclines, and uneven ground, ensuring that soldiers can reach their objectives regardless of environmental conditions. Its off-road prowess is complemented by a powerful yet efficient drivetrain, providing the necessary torque and control for maneuvering in difficult terrain. The enhanced mobility of the infantry squad vehicle not only improves operational reach, but also allows for greater tactical flexibility, enabling infantry units to execute complex maneuvers and respond swiftly to dynamic battlefield scenarios. Robust protection. While prioritizing mobility and speed, the infantry squad vehicle also incorporates essential protective features to ensure the safety of its occupants. The infantry squad vehicle is equipped with a durable roll cage and reinforced structural components that provide critical protection against rollovers and impacts. It includes advanced seat harnesses and restraints designed to secure soldiers during high-speed maneuvers and rough terrain navigation. Although the infantry squad vehicle focuses on being lightweight, it doesn't compromise on safety, offering quick egress points to facilitate rapid exits in emergency situations. These protective measures ensure that infantry units can move swiftly and securely, maintaining their combat readiness while minimizing the risk of injury during transport. Versatile payload capacity. The infantry squad vehicle is designed with a versatile payload capacity, capable of transporting a full 9-soldier infantry squad along with their combat gear and equipment. This versatility ensures that the infantry squad vehicle can accommodate the varied needs of different missions, from rapid troop deployment to carrying specialized equipment and supplies. The vehicle's configuration allows for the integration of mission-specific attachments, such as weapon mounts, communication systems, and medical gear, enhancing its adaptability to diverse operational requirements. This comprehensive payload capability ensures that infantry squads remain fully equipped and combat-ready upon arrival, maximizing their effectiveness and operational efficiency in the field. Advanced communication systems. The infantry squad vehicle is equipped with state-of-the-art communication systems, ensuring secure and reliable connectivity for the squad during operations. These advanced systems enable seamless communication between the infantry squad vehicle and command units, as well as among multiple squads, facilitating coordinated maneuvers and strategic planning. Integrated radios and data links provide real-time information sharing, enhancing situational awareness and operational effectiveness. The infantry squad vehicle communication suite supports encrypted transmissions, protecting sensitive information from interception and cyber threats. This robust communication capability is crucial for maintaining command and control in complex and dynamic combat environments, ensuring that infantry units can respond swiftly and cohesively to emerging threats and mission objectives. Modular design. The infantry squad vehicle features a modular design that enhances its versatility and adaptability to various mission requirements. This design allows for easy maintenance, repairs, and upgrades in the field, ensuring that the vehicle remains operational and effective under diverse conditions. Components can be quickly swapped or enhanced to meet specific operational needs, whether it's adding armor, integrating new communication systems, or attaching specialized equipment. The modular approach not only extends the service life of the infantry squad vehicle, but also allows for rapid adaptation to evolving threats and mission profiles. This flexibility ensures that the infantry squad vehicle can support a wide range of military operations, from direct combat to reconnaissance and support roles, making it a valuable asset in the U.S. Army's arsenal. Improved fuel efficiency. The infantry squad vehicle is designed with improved fuel efficiency to extend its operational range and support long-duration missions. Utilizing a highly efficient powertrain, the infantry squad vehicle maximizes fuel economy without sacrificing performance, allowing it to travel greater distances on a single tank. This enhanced fuel efficiency reduces the logistical burden of frequent refueling, which is particularly advantageous in remote or hostile environments where supply lines may be stretched. By optimizing fuel consumption, the ISV not only lowers operational costs, but also enhances the vehicle's sustainability in prolonged engagements, ensuring that infantry units can maintain their mobility and readiness throughout extended operations. Integration with advanced technologies. The infantry squad vehicle is designed to seamlessly integrate with advanced technologies, enhancing its operational capabilities and providing a technological edge on the battlefield. The vehicle is equipped to incorporate autonomous driving systems, which can reduce the cognitive load on soldiers and improve navigation in complex environments. Additionally, advanced sensor arrays can be integrated to enhance situational awareness, detecting threats, and providing real-time data to the squad. The infantry squad vehicle is also compatible with advanced targeting and surveillance systems, enabling precise engagement and reconnaissance missions. This integration with cutting-edge technologies ensures that the infantry squad vehicle remains at the forefront of military innovation, capable of adapting to future technological advancements and evolving combat scenarios. Impact on infantry operations. The introduction of the infantry squad vehicle significantly enhances the operational capabilities of infantry units, transforming how they maneuver and engage in combat. The infantry squad vehicle exceptional mobility allows squads to rapidly traverse diverse terrains and reach strategic positions quickly, providing a tactical advantage. Its robust protection features and advanced communication systems ensure that soldiers are safe and well coordinated even in high-threat environments. The versatile payload capacity and modular design enable infantry units to adapt to a wide range of mission requirements, from direct combat to support and reconnaissance. By integrating advanced technologies, the infantry squad vehicle enhances situational awareness and operational efficiency, ultimately leading to more effective and flexible infantry operations. This transformative impact ensures that infantry units are better equipped, more mobile, and more responsive to the dynamic demands of modern warfare. That's all for today's video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more future videos. What feature of the infantry squad vehicle do you think will have the most impact? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting content.